guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe and join the hashtag Growty Squad. And if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch another one of my videos. So as you can see from the title, it is a makeup video today, and I'll be reviewing the new S Cosmetics Go Flow I'll be reviewing the new S Cosmetics Go for Glow highlighter. It just looks like that when you purchase one, and the shade I'll be reviewing today is called Glorious. Like glorious. Yeah, you guys get that. So I'll be doing my base, and I'll just be putting the eyeshadow thing to the highlighter thing to test. The look I'll be going for would involve why do I keep saying this eyeshadow? The loose highlighter on my eyes and as normal highlighters. So by the way, it's just £5, just £5. So yeah, let me do my base, and when it's time for my eyeshadow, I'll come back. Hi guys, so I'm back now. I finished my base. I might look a little bit dry, but I have oily skin, so I have to make sure everything is matte, even though I'm not going anywhere. But when I'm done with the look, I'll moisten it up with my setting spray so I won't look as dry. Anyways, let's get on with the eyeshadow look. Don't forget, we're going to be reviewing the S Cosmetics Glorious highlighter today. So the look I'm going for is it's not me, if you get what that means, but I'm trying to, because I'm quite simple, I love simple things, but I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone because might as well. So after I'm done filming, by the way, I'm using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. You know, I don't believe in having like 10 different eyeshadow palettes just because. After this video, I'll be filming how I started my business video, so stay tuned for that. So for the end part of this look, as you guys can see, let me move the light. You guys can see it's looking good. I love it. In the mirror, it looks absolutely stunning, especially the purple. So for the last part of this eyeshadow look, I'll be using the S Cosmetics Go for Glow loose highlighter in the shade Glorious. So let's just, it's a loose highlighter, so it tends to be a bit messy, so be careful when you open it up, but it's properly secure. So I'll take this little brush here and wet it just so I can get the most pigment. But before I wet it, let me show you what it looks like without spraying your brush. So basically a swatch. You guys ready? That's what it looks like. Like, oh my gosh. So now let me wet my brush. Take a little bit. You guys cannot see that. Oh my god. Look at that. Take a look. Take a look. Sorry. Wow, 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 wow. Just wow, like wow. To apply it as a highlighter, just dip my brush in it. Do you guys see that? So we have normal lighting. Let me move closer a bit. As you can see, I have that. What have I done? So guys, I'll finish up my look. That's what the highlighter looks like. Ooh, this side is blinding. Okay, so guys, I'll finish up my look and I'll come back to give my final thoughts. As you guys can see, the look is finished now. This is my final look, and I finished this look off with S Cosmetics lashes in the shade in the style Esther. So the highlighter is bomb. Like, the lighting is not really okay. It's doing it kind of justice, but it's not really showing it in all its full glory, especially the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is looking amazing, amazing, amazing. By the thumbnail, you guys will be able to see what the final look is like. It's really easy. You can just create this look, and also you can add the S Cosmetics Go for Glow highlighter, loose highlighter, into your setting spray as well. You can just tip some in it. It can be used as an eyeshadow, as a highlighter, as a body glow. It can be used as anything you want to use it for, literally. And it's just £5. That's the good thing. It is just £5, and it also comes in 2 other shades. Showstopper is amazing. Oh my god, like the name says, it is literally a showstopper. Go on my website www.scosmetics.com to check out the swatches, and on my Instagram as well, there's loads of pictures of customers and loads of pictures of swatches and other products. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this look, let me know, and if you'll be purchasing from me soon, let me know as well. Use my code Esther5 to get oh my gosh, is this somebody's child? Is this somebody's child? Like, I hope your screen guard is not broken, because this beauty is just too much. Like, wow, wow. The world doesn't deserve me. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, what was I saying? Yeah, use my code Esther5 for some money off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and don't forget to drink some water and mind your business. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.